Hey boys, where are we eating snacks from today?
Japan! Welcome back everyone to another episode of Tykes. Eric, what are we eating today?
I don't know. Maybe Japan food.
Yeah, we're eating snacks from Japan.
Ooh, yummy.
That's right, boys. Today, your Auntie Ayami from Japan has sent us some treats for you to try.
And shout out to Auntie Ayami. Thank you for this food. It's so good, I might dab.
Let's try the first treat from Japan. Now this time we're going to do it a little bit differently. I'm going to have you, after you taste your treat, I'm going to ask you what anime character the treat reminds you of.
Oh, brother.
For everybody at home, that's Japanimation, not to be confused with Afghanistanimation.
Dad, you're funny.
Alright, Nico, why don't you tell us what you're trying first?
Today we are trying Choco Pie.
My turn. Wait.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Yeah, you like it?
Mhm.
What anime character does it remind you of?
I don't know.
You don't know? What Pokemon does it remind you of?
I don't know.
What about you, Eric?
Ash Ketchum. Nah. Pikachu.
You think Pikachu would like this treat?
Yeah. Pika.
What does Goku say?
Nothing.
I don't know.
What does Goku say?
I don't know. He's a statue.
What do you think about this treat?
It's delicious.
Great. And my anime character, I think Ash Ketchum would like this.
Yeah? Ash Ketchup would like this?
Yes.
It's not ketchup. Up.
I didn't say ketchup.
It's ketchup.
Alright, let's try our next treat from Japan. Alright, Eric, what is the name of this treat?
Wait, I actually can't read this treat. It's spelled in Japan.
In Japanese?
Yeah.
But there's words on top.
What?
At the top. Turn it over. Keep turning it. Alright, what does that say, Eric?
Listen, Demon Ramen.
The May.
The main.
Ramen.
Okay.
Wait,
let's
mine's the
get
blue
your
one.
chopsticks.
Mine's the blue.
Okay, give a little bite.
All done.
I'm stinging you. Sting.
Those are some long noodles, huh?
Alright, look up.
Eric's making a big mess.
Yeah, you guys are making a big mess.
More noodle. So, sometimes a ramen gets right here, which is the edge. You're right.
Hey, Eric, who's the character that loves ramen the most?
Naruto.
That's right. Is that who you think of when you eat ramen?
Yep.
Eric, what's your favorite jutsu?
No, finger jutsu.
Not that one.
Yes, you act like someone's bed. Oh, fine. The shadow clone jutsu.
Yeah? Luca, what's your favorite jutsu?
The Rasengan.
Oh, okay, that's a good one. Alright, boys, last bite. Luca, what do you think of this ramen?
It's actually really good. Sesame oil.
Yeah? Does it have sesame oil?
Yeah. Set it on.
Eric, I don't think you like this ramen very much.
You're making a mess.
All right, that's enough. Let's start cleaning.
I love this ramen. That was epic. Don't eat too much at a time or it'll burst. Or you'll smell steamy.
Much at a time.
And you'll smell so much steam inside your nails. What's this one coming
All right.
up? It sounds like a rapper.
Let's try these next treats. Okay, Luca. Try and read it.
This is called. Oh no, I had one before.
What is that, Luca?
I don't know.
At the bottom are there words?
Yeah. Roasted hot cream peas.
Green pea. Have you had one before?
Eric!
What happened?
Spicy!
It's just roasted peas.
Yeah.
Does it have something on it?
Mm-hmm. I had it at Star Wars Land. I exported it.
You had it at Star Wars Land.
Yeah!
Oh, it's the cantina.
Mm-hmm. Papa, try it.
I'll give it a try.
It's
I'm
spicy.
not afraid.
Here, Eric, clean up your mess.
No.
Okay. It's spicy. You won't think it's spicy, but it's spicy to me.
Is it?
Ooh, wasabi.
That's
on there.
what made it spicy.
Uh-huh. You do it pretty good.
I hate it.
But spicy. I'll never. Thumbs down. Double thumbs down.
What character does it remind you of, boys?
Marth? No, he's American.
No.
Oh, Marth.
Marth?
Yeah.
Eldie. One of my Dragon Ball characters.
That's your custom Dragon Ball Z character. What about a real character?
Okay, sure. I don't know.
No, okay.
Oh, fine. Pikachu. No. Clement.
Clement?
Is that a
Okay.
spicy burp?
Yeah, spicy. Yes, my favorite. My favorite's coming up. No, look, my turn to read. These are my favorite. Are called Hello Pandas.
What flavor are they?
Strawberry.
Eric. Don't get too full again.
I'm not.
Remember, you almost puked the last recording.
So what do you think about this snack?
It's actually okay.
Just okay? What do you like better?
The ramen.
Which flavor of Hello Panda do you like better?
The chocolate one.
Yeah? The strawberry still good? What character does it remind you of?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Yes.
Eric, what character does Hello Panda remind you of?
It reminds me of Brock.
Brock! Brock the Rock?
No. Brock the guy from Pokemon.
I might eat the whole thing.
Yeah.
Whose turn is it to read the box?
Luca.
What is that?
Japanese style green tea mochi.
Oh.
My-
Don't eat your fingers, Luca. What do you guys think about this snack?
It's so good. I want to have another bite.
Was it ice cream?
Yeah, mochi ice cream.
You guys can have one more bite each.
Remember, Luca, make it half.
What character do you think does this remind you of?
Green tea mochi donut.
Yeah? Do you like this snack? Eric, what happened?
I don't like it.
You ate the first bite.
Because it was tiny. That scoop.
Well, yeah, that's why we say small bites. Silly boy.
No, that scoop. I like it. Okay, double okay.
I like it so much.
I like it okay. Ooh.
Okay, you don't have to say it that.
I did.
Okay, Eric, why don't you read what this next snack is?
Oh, I remember these. Ginny.
It's actually called Jinjin's fruit jelly.
Goku's eating it.
Oh no!
It's going inside his stomach.
It makes him go non-Super Saiyan.
Oh, it comes in little cups?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, jeez, Luca.
How is it, boys?
So good.
Yeah, what character does that remind you of?
Jelly.
Who is that?
Me?
You mean like the slimes from Dragon Warrior?
Jelly. Jelly.
Yeah, what do you think, Eric?
Natsu.
Natsu! How do you like this snack? You like the snack? Yes, no?
We had this at our grandma's house before.
Yeah. But sometimes there are these little squares inside it. These little white squares that make it better, right, Luca?
I had the whole thing like in one bite.
Yeah.
Like literally.
Wait, did you eat the plastic?
No.
Good.
I did.
You're sick. You're poisoned. Just
I'm
joking.
not poisoned.
I know that you're not poisoned.
Here comes the next snack.
Hold on, boys.
Okay.
Napkin.
Alright, Eric, tell us what these snacks are.
Okay, these are called yan.
Alright, which one did you get, Eric?
Strawberry.
Did you?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Is that strawberry that you're tasting right now?
Oh yeah, it is.
That's strawberry?
That's chocolate. I got strawberry and chocolate.
Mmm.
Oh.
So what anime do you think when you eat this snack?
Kakashi.
Kakashi Sensei? What about you, Eric?
Happy.
Happy? Do you like the snack?
Mhm.
I'm
Give it
getting
back.
you mixed up.
Alright, give him back. That's enough. Eric. Eric.
Mmm. Mmm.
Alright, Luca. What is this snack?
I don't get it. What? Seaweed crackers! Savory crackers!
Alright. Take it easy, boys. Seaweed, isn't that the stuff that fish eat? What do you think of these crackers?
Yeah.
Yeah, only medium good or really good, Eric? I think you changed your mind. Alright, what characters does this snack remind you of?
Misty.
Misty! Are you guys just gonna name Pokemon characters the whole time?
Yes.
Get your feet off the table.
Because that's the only anime we can think of.
No. What about Kaon?
Wait, what?
And what about Little Witch Academia?
Oh yeah! Hey! Hey, don't see it. Sarah's secret TV show. The Feral Octopus.
Those are secret TV shows.
Yes, they are.
Alright, this is Eric.
Okay.
Go ahead, Eric. What is this snack?
Hot and spicy potato chips. Is it spicy? Then why does it say hot and spicy?
Well, give it a shot. See for yourself. How is it, Eric? Medium good? What about you, Luca? How do you like these? Ooh. So what characters do these potato chips remind you of?
Have one.
They're a little spicy.
What happened, Eric?
Lucy from Fairy Tale, she's so funny.
Yeah?
I thought it wasn't spicy.
She hid in that clock, see? In the painting.
Oh, something's wrong with my mind.
What is this snack?
Ooh, Pocket Chocolate Almond Crush. Chocolate cream biscuit sticks.
Goku time! I'm eating all of this.
Give it a shot.
One each.
Right. Not my first time having this.
Yeah, you've had these before?
Mm-hmm.
What? Alright, give me the bag back, greedy boys.
There's a bunch more left.
Oh yeah, you left us 2.
So what character does this snack remind you of?
It's hard.
Maybe Rick Hunter from Robotech?
I think I know.
Charmander.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, did you like that snack?
Hey!
Alright, let's try this next snack.
Give the Goku.
This is your last snack?
The last
tonight?
snack, okay?
Ah,
Eric,
dang
what
it.
is this snack?
Wait, what? Shrimp crackers.
Let me know if it really tastes like shrimp.
Shut up first.
This actually is... tastes like shrimp.
Yeah, do they really taste like shrimp?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, thumbs up. Eric, what do you think of this snack? Also, double thumbs up. Awesome. What character does this remind you of?
Bulbasaur.
Bulbasaur? The plant Pokemon?
Mm-hmm.
What about you, Luca?
Gundams.
Which Gundam?
The one I have as my model.
Oh, that one. Well, that does it for this episode on Japanese snacks. What did you think, boys? What do you think about the food from Japan?
It's tasty. Thank you, Auntie Ami, for this delicious food.
Okay.
Thank you, Auntie Yummy. I love the shrimp crackers.
Yeah.
I can tell.
Thank you, folks, for watching our episode. And if you like it, we have a few other food tasting episodes, but mostly just video games, right, boys?
Mm-hmm.
Until next time,
Harry Shrimp on.
carry on.
Harry Shrimp on, you mean?
Yeah, there's shrimp on.
One more.
Mm.